Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to World Geography with M.Adnan. Today's tutorial is related to our DBSI. So here mean the DBSI, dry buried soil index. So in it we can find the area with a soil, buried soil with a dryness. And from last tutorial I'm showing you how we can just find the buried soil area in our study area. So for this I use the Landsat 8 data, and for here Landsat 8 data, the band sequence is different as compared to Landsat 5 and 7. So when you using your satellite, so you need to read first steps, because for the Landsat 5 and 7 the band red and green are green represent band 2, green represent band 2, while okay, so now we need the band red, which is in the Landsat 5 and 7 is equal to band 3. Okay, band 3. And for the Landsat 8 the band green is, and band green I represent Shoji, and here G green. So you can see this difference in the bands of the satellite, different satellite. And here red I represent, so R, capital R, and it's equal to red band is equal to band 4. Okay, so now I'm going to my data. I use the Landsat 8 data. So for it I need to select band 5. Wait a minute, my disk is removed. I first, so as I says, I need to use the Landsat 8 data with a band 3, 4, 5. Here I not have a band 3, so I first clip it, then I showing it to you from my study area. Okay, so I will clip it. I later skip the video. So as you can see, I select my study area shapefile, and now I select it to here and the band 3. Okay, and I'll select study area, and now I give its output path here band 3. Okay, so simple. Okay, so it will take time. So viewers, as you can see, our band is coming here, so I remove this one because we not need it, and I also hollow for my shapefile. Okay, so now I use the raster calculator to apply the formula to find the DBSI. Then I will compare it with the BSI of our same area, to showing which part of it have a dry soil and which part have a no dry soil. So just simple open it, and I showing the formula to you. Here is its formula: red minus green divided by Ri. So here what is the red? It means the band 3 minus the band 4 minus the band 3 and divided by 5. Okay, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3. I simply give it floor 4 minus 3, then slash, then simple band 5. Okay, so here I give the its name like this one, and here I add the D because it is a dry barrier soil. Okay, simple. Okay, and it will take time. Let us escape it. Okay, so as you can see, our result is coming, but it's showing like that, as you can see. So now I apply on it the standard deviation of the stretch type, this one, and I see the difference in it. Okay, so I will also add the simple BSI of our area, which means burial soil index. As you can see, I select it with a different color. Yes, this one, inverted. Okay, so where is the green part? It's also need to standard deviation. Okay, so as you can see, the red part is highlighted high burial soil area, and the same this, wait a minute, I uncheck the other unnecessary one, so only this will be shown. Okay, so the green part is showing, wait a minute, I select it with this, yes. So the blue part showing the desert, no desert, the dry burial soil. Okay, the dry burial soil. So as you can see, same this part is showing with a BSI, but little difference is that there is a dry soil where the vegetation growing, because vegetation take the water from the land surface, so there will be the water decreasing, and their quantity will be greater there where the vegetation is not. So you can see it, this is the difference between the BSI and DBSI. So I hope it will help you in your research and in your projects. For more further informative videos, you need to subscribe our channel and stay with us for more informative videos. Thank you so much.